Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you about the basics tools which is used in Adobe Photoshop. Let's get started. I am using the latest version of the Photoshop, so it may be little easy to you to understand it. As you see, this is the dashboard of the Photoshop. So in this, there are options like you can create a new page, or you can just drop a picture and start editing it. So let's create a new one, so you'll understand point to point. As you see, this dialog box opens, so you can select a photo and you can see many options present here. I'll just select this one. Then there are options here too. You can set the width, height and orientation of the file, like if you want it portrait or landscape, depending on what type of project you're working on. And the resolution also you can set. Then the first thing is, if you name it, it will not be difficult for you to search it or recheck it. So better name it first. I'll just name it as test. Create. It's created. So I'll just add some random photo so I can explain it with that on my computer. The photo has been added. So the first tool, this tool is used to move the picture or move anything which you add additionally, like the png format, picture, logos, etc, etc. So I'm just going to move this picture. Okay, convert to normal layer. I'll just move this picture to the to this file. one one sec. It's done. So I'm going to resize it. So I'm going to resize it. Press Ctrl T. You'll get option for resizing. Press Shift and resize it. This is what I do. I don't know what others do. Okay, I'll just frame it and okay. Now I'll fit to screen. First option, as you know, is a move option. Second option, it's a marquee tool. There are four different types of marquee tool. The first one, rectangular marquee tool. It's used to mark a specified place or a part where you can do anything or cut that part. So I'll just cut it by pressing Ctrl J. It duplicates the file. See, I'm going to invisible this one, so you can just see the cutted part. In the same way, one sec, I'll just delete this. So the same way, elliptical marquee. I'm going to open it like this. The same type, and Ctrl J, which duplicates the file, and you get this as result. Okay, I'll let this. Let's move on to next. This is also used for cutting down the part of the picture which you want to change it from the place where you want to put it or something. So I'm going to go on to lasso tool. Lasso tool is kind of easy one. Just hold and press. Oh, sorry. Just hold and press and move. Motherfucker. Just hold, press and move. As you do, however you want, you can move it. I'm just covering it randomly. I'm sorry. I'm just doing a normal one. Cover it randomly and it's done. Then same option, Control J. As you see, the part which I selected is cut. Oh, okay. The next option in it is polygonal lasso tool. This is kind of easier one. So one, you start it from here, then click wherever you want to set the interval or check post or something like that. Just click, move, just click, move, click, move, and that's it. This one is a simple one where you have curves, etc. Where it's kind of difficult for the computer to analyze the exact thing which you wanted. So you can do this one by yourself. So I'm going to complete it. Same option, Control J. It duplicates. You get that result. The last one in this is magnetic lasso tool. This one is the easiest one, and most of them use this. I'll just start it from here. It keeps on going. Just move the part. It keeps on going. Just move it on your part. It just keeps on going. It identifies the pixels and keeps on going. This one is easy one for beginners. Anyone can use this without any hesitation or without any hard work or something. Same close to the starting point. Same Control J. You'll get a result as you wished. Let's go to the next one. This one is also kind of easy one. So it's similar to the magic lasso tool. This one is quick selection tool. This one is easy. Just click, move. That's it. Just move. Then same open magic wand tool. Just click. That's it. It will select randomly. So I prefer to use lasso tool better than this tools. So that one is kind of easy, right? This one is kind of tough. Okay, next we go on to crop. Crop, like anyone knows, you can just crop the pictures as whichever size you want and whichever shape you want. You already know. So I'm not going to go through it much. Okay. The next one, frame tool. This is used to frame a subject. Like if your subject is a portrait, but you want the subject to be landscape, so you can use this tool. Just draw the frame. That's it. That's it. It will just fit the picture in the frame which you want. So this one will be very useful when when the subject or when your picture is in portrait mode, or if your picture is in landscape, you can convert it into portrait. It's a simple one. Let's go to the next one. Next one. One sec. It's loading. Next one is eyedropper tool. Eyedropper tool is used to identify the color or duplicate the color or sample the color. Okay, I want the color of the eye of the dog, so I'll just click on the color. I just click and the color changes to red color. Okay, now I'll change the color to the this one. Clicked and changed. It's used to change the color what you desire from the pictures, from anything which you want.